Hi everyone, I'm Rebecca.
I'm Billy with the Land O'Lakes Test Kitchens.
I'm Susie with the Land O'Lakes Test Kitchens.
Today we're going to talk about some common baking substitutions that you can use at home in a pinch. When it comes to baking success, having the right leavener is crucial. If your recipe calls for baking powder, but you only have baking soda, that's actually okay. The recipe can still go on.
You might find sometimes that your baking powder maybe isn't working anymore. Maybe it's past its expiration date and the leavening capabilities aren't going to work anymore. There are some other ingredients that you may have in your pantry that will work just fine to substitute with baking powder. For instance,
For 1 teaspoon of baking powder, you can take a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cornstarch. I have fancy organic cornstarch.
The cornstarch is going to prevent your baking soda and your cream of tartar from activating while in the pantry. Now, what happens if you don't have cream of tartar? Well, you're not making this very easy on me. But you can try and find something acidic, like if you have lemon juice or buttermilk, anything that's going to activate that baking soda.
For more helpful baking and cookie baking tips, head to landolakes.com where we have videos and how-to articles for baking, cooking, whatever you need.
Thank you so much for watching. We really hope this video was helpful.
happy baking!